what an acrostic poem is, I were not known either for this morning. Apparently, it's a poem in which the first letter of each line spells out a word, a name, or a phrase when read vertically. So Neferil and I will be creating our very own acrostic poems using the word today. But producer, what is the context of said poem? Is it a love poem or is it a...
I'm supporting my wife today.
No, you have to write your own now.
Oh, me already.
No, is it a poem about our friendship? Is it a poem about life? Is it
a poem about... anything you want it to be. So we're supposed to rhyme something. Help me, no? Help me. Do not stop.
To be rhyme.
No, do. Well, you don't want me to see what you did?
Nope.
I don't know what to do. I don't know why you turn. They need to turn. Sim, they can't see it that way. Because they can't see it. I'm not going.
Germs, work with me, man.
Yeah, man. I have no idea where to start. Clive, can you help me, please? What you writing, Sim? Tell me now.
After me, no know.
I don't know if you're right.
But I would never really know. I'm not looking either, you know. When you're done, I will look over there. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You first.
Today you look like a rose on your head and your toes. Don't ever change, please. All day I would sneeze. You are not cheese. Oh. Read yours, please. Oh,
no.
Read yours.
Read yours, please, already. Nevier, don't clap him.
I mean, don't clap him.
Do not clap him. Here is my acrostic poem. Thankful for our friendship over highs and lows. Despite hills and valleys, always our friendship grows. Yes to support and love. Our friendship is real and it shows.
That's for me? Oh, you know me, I'll cry.
I don't say anything about your toe, your foot, cheesy or sneezy.
No, but I tell you, today you look like a rose, which is true. And it is from your head to your toes, which
My
is
toe
true.
look like a rose?
Don't ever change, please. Because if you do that all day, I would sneeze.
Achoo!
Because you are not cheese. I'm a poet and I didn't know it.
But none of us know it either. It's okay. Don't worry. Produce. That is our...
But she wins still, but I like my one too.
Shane, you're really too excited about these two acrostic poems, is the truth. We don't even nearly need that level of
General
applause.
Soldier, don't me all right with them, sir?
Soji?
Don't me all right? Well, if Jody say me all right, I don't matter what anybody else say. From George the Dodds, Shorty Patty, Sister Dealey, say me all right.
How much is he paying you? How much? I don't understand. Bravery. Anyway.
Thank you.
We'll take a break.
This one says, love, laughter we had along the way, optimism you gave me every day, value of being my best friend, eternity, a love that has no end.
It's nice.
That's beautiful.
Yours?
But Sim.
No, nice.
No, and I agree. Yours is amazing. No, I agree that
mine are amazing.
No, yours is amazing.
Definitely
I agree that mine. And is
another today,
today?
Isn't that for tomorrow? Or is it yesterday? Anyway, we'll take a break. When we come back, holistic nutrition with Eden Joy. Take a bow.
I never do so bad.